Welcome to our video on the top 5 best action cameras you can find on AliExpress. Whether you're an adventurer, vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing life in stunning detail, an action camera is a must-have gadget. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below, so let's dive right in. Let's get started at number 5. SJCam C100 Plus. If you're looking for a budget-friendly action camera that still packs a punch, the SJCam C100 Plus is worth checking out. This compact and ultra-lightweight camera offers 4K recording at 30 frames per second, making it perfect for capturing high-resolution videos during outdoor activities. One of its standout features is its portability. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, yet powerful enough to record stunning footage. The C100 Plus also includes electronic image stabilization, which ensures that your videos remain smooth and steady even in shaky environments. Whether you're running, biking, or diving, this camera won't let you down. Speaking of diving, this SJCam C100 Plus is waterproof up to 30 meters with its waterproof housing, allowing you to capture mesmerizing underwater scenes. Additionally, it has a 30-megapixel photo resolution, which is impressive for its size, ensuring that your still images are sharp and detailed. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily transfer your footage to your smartphone for quick edits and sharing on social media. It's also perfect for time-lapse and slow-motion videos, making it a versatile tool for content creators. With its affordability and robust features, the SJCam C100 Plus is an excellent entry-level action camera. Number 4. SJCam SJ20. The SJCam SJ20 is another fantastic option from SJCam, known for its durability, versatility, and excellent video quality. The SJ20 supports 4K video recording at 24 frames per second and 1080 pixel at 60 frames per second, giving you flexibility depending on your filming needs. It also features a 20-megapixel sensor, ensuring that both videos and still photos are vibrant and crisp. One of the defining features of the SJ20 is its advanced EIS, which allows for incredibly stable footage even when the camera is mounted on a helmet, bike, or drone. This makes it a fantastic option for extreme sports enthusiasts or anyone who needs stable shots in fast-paced environments. The SJ20 comes with a variety of shooting modes, such as burst mode, time-lapse, and slow motion, giving you creative control over how you capture your scenes. The camera is also waterproof up to 30 meters when using the included housing, making it ideal for underwater adventures. Number 3. Insta360 X3. The Insta360 X3 is a game-changer in the world of action cameras, and it's easy to see why. This 360-degree camera is designed to capture everything around you, allowing you to never miss a moment. The X3 boasts an impressive 5.7K video resolution, which delivers jaw-dropping clarity and detail. Its dual-lens design means that it can record a full 360-degree view, which you can later edit to focus on any angle you desire. One of the coolest features of the Insta360 X3 is its invisible selfie stick mode, which allows you to shoot footage as if the camera is floating beside you, giving a drone-like effect. This is perfect for outdoor sports, travel vlogs, or action-packed adventures. The camera also comes with Insta360's flow state stabilization, which provides buttery smooth video even in the most intense situations. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or hiking a rugged trail, the Insta360 X3 ensures that your footage remains stable and professional looking. Number 2. Insta360 X4. The Insta360 X4 builds on the success of its predecessor, the X3, but with several key upgrades that make it a serious contender in the action camera world. First off, the X4 offers an upgraded 6K video resolution, making it one of the highest resolution 360-degree cameras available today. If you're someone who demands the best possible video quality, the X4 delivers in spades. It also features improved stabilization with Insta360's upgraded flow state technology, ensuring even smoother and more dynamic footage. The X4 is perfect for capturing action-packed moments, whether you're skiing, skateboarding, or cycling. Its 360-degree capture allows you to focus on the action and worry about framing later. The Insta360 X4 is also designed with versatility in mind. It includes multiple shooting modes, such as bullet time, which creates stunning slow-motion effects, and time shift, which allows you to speed up or slow down time within your footage. The X4 is waterproof up to 10 meters without housing, and with its rugged design, it's built to withstand tough conditions. Number 1. Insta360 Go 3S. At the top of our list is the Insta360 Go 3S, a truly unique action camera that redefines portability and ease of use. Weighing in at just 35 grams, this is one of the smallest action cameras on the market, but don't let its size fool you. It's packed with powerful features. The Go 3S records in stunning 2.7K resolution, providing impressive clarity for such a tiny device. It's designed for those who want to capture life's moments on the go without the hassle of carrying bulky equipment. The Go 3S comes with flow state stabilization, ensuring that your footage remains smooth and stable, even when shooting handheld or during fast-paced activities. One of the standout features of this camera is its magnet-based mounting system, which allows you to attach the Go 3S to virtually any surface, from your helmet to your clothing, for effortless, hands-free recording. Additionally, the camera is waterproof up to 4 meters, making it great for quick dips or rainy conditions. With its auto-editing feature, the Insta360 Go 3S can automatically create short, shareable clips from your footage, perfect for those who want to upload their content quickly and easily. This feature alone makes it ideal for vloggers and influencers looking to streamline their workflow. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best action cameras on AliExpress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.